Hello guys, welcome to next class of curve fitting. In this class, I'll consider one problem already written on the board. The problem is based on parabola. Already I discussed in my previous videos. Once you say consider parabola means we always have to take at the construction of equation for the by using method of least square. We have to consider general equation. What's the general equation of the parabola is nothing but quadratic equation. A plus bx plus cx square. But in this problem they mentioned already, even though it's not mentioned, keep in mind, just maybe give this type of also in the problem, fit a parabola of the form y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square to the following data. Instead of that, they may be find a parabola from the following data. Directly they are going to give this data without giving the equation. Keep in mind, suppose they are not given, first you write what's the general equation of the parabola is nothing but a plus bx plus cx square. Otherwise you write in note ax square plus bx plus c also. Both are must be same only. Here I am written in the power of x is increasing order. If you want to write in the decreasing order also. Yes, they given already what's the general equation to the parabola is y equals a plus bx plus cx square. Now I told already, suppose they are not given any equation, first you write the general equation of the corresponding curve. This is my general equation of the parabola. Then we have to write the normal equation. Number of normal equation must equal to number of unknowns are involved in the given equation. How many unknowns you have? 3 unknowns. Therefore, how many normal equations are expecting here? 3. Because the corresponding normal equations are first normal equation depending upon the quotient of a. Also quotient of is 1. First you multiply that and then you take a summation on both sides. yi equals, once you take summation in the right hand side, n is repeated how many times? A is repeated how many number of set of values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore what is n here? 6. I ranging from 1 to 6 plus b into sigma xi for I ranging from 1 to 6 plus c into sigma xi square for I ranging from 1 to 6. This is one of the normal equation based on A. Next I want to be, first you multiplied by round equation by the quotient of dcx equals cax plus bx square plus cx cube. Okay. Take summation on both sides for I ranging from 1 to 6. Instead of this, we are going to take I ranging from 1 to 6. I ranging from 1 to 6 for xi. I ranging from 1 to 6 for x. This is second normal equation. Third normal equation depending upon c. What's the quotient of c? Is x square. Therefore multiplied by x square. Now what we get? Xi square yi. I taken directly for summation also 1 to 6 must be put to multiplied by x square means a into sigma xi square for I ranging from 1 to 6 plus b into sigma xi cube for I ranging from 1 to 6 plus c into sigma xi to the power of 4 because I have multiplied by x square I ranging from 1 to 6. This is the third normal equation. Once you consider the normal equation, I told very clearly, first you, what are the values are required, first you find out from the table. Therefore, you consider the table here. First two columns of the tables are nothing but what actually given data. What is given data? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Write it corresponding the values of y. What are y here? 1, 3, 7, 14, 21 and 31. The last row is nothing but total. You take it this total. The total of this is nothing but 15. Okay. Find out this total using calculator or only 76. Not only this, I am required the values of xi square, xi yi, xi square by I, xi cube and xi to the power of 4. First you calculate xi by I. How to calculate xi by I? 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 1 into 3 is 3, 2, 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 52, 21 into 4, then we get 84. Then 31 into 5. 31 into 5 is what actually? 155. And take this total. Total of this xi by I is 295. And next I want to calculate xi square. Xi square equals square of x0 square 0, 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. Total of this value xi square is nothing but 55. Next I want to calculate xi square by I. You have xi square and multiplied with yi. Then what we get? 0, 1 into 3 is 3, 28, 14 into 9, 117, 16 into 21, we get 3, 3, 6. And next 25 into 31, 7, 7, 5. Take this total. Total of this is nothing but sigma xi square is 1, 2, 5, 9. Okay. Next is xi cube. I want to find it. Xi cube. Okay. Next is xi to the power of 4. What is xi cube? The cube of this. Then 0 cube, 1 cube like that. 0, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Take this total. Total of xi cube is nothing but 225. 225. Next, 0 to the power of 4, 1 to the power of 4 like that. 0, 1, 16, 81 and then 256 and then 5 to the power of 4 is 625. What is total of this? Total of this is nothing but 979. Substitute these values in the normal equations. We get sigma yi 76 must be equal to 6a plus sigma xi. What is sigma xi is 15b plus sigma xi square. What is sigma xi square? Is 55c. And then sigma xi yi is nothing but what actually? 295 equals 15a, because sigma xi square is nothing but 55c b, and sigma xi cube is nothing but what? 225c. Next, sigma xi square yi is nothing but 1259 equals, what is that actually? 55a, 225b, and then 6a to the power of 4 is 979c. We solve these equations simultaneously by using calculated cell. Once you fill these equations, finally we get the values of a, b, c are a equals 1, b equals 1, c is equal to 1. Therefore, we get y equals a1, 1 plus x square is the required best approximation equation to the given set of data of the parabola by using method of least square. This is a way to find out the best approximation equation to the parabola by using method of least squares. I think everyone is clear. First you write the general equation, write the normal equation. What are the values required for the summation value? Prepare a table. Preparing a table is must. Without preparing table, simply write it the values you are going to use the marks. And then substitute these values, we get a system of equation and solve by using calculator. We get that ABC, then substitute that. Then easiest way to solve to find out the best approximation equation from the given set of data by using method of least squares. Now moving to the other types of non-zero nonlinear curve. So now here, now I'm going to take one of the curves, say y is equal to e para dx. This is one of simple problem I'm going to consider here. Y is equal to a into e para dx. Okay. If we take a curve of the form other than parabola and line, they definitely mention what type of curve they are expecting. Y is equal to a to e power dx from the following data. And then I am going to take the data is a very simple data. The data is nothing but actually x, y, and then 5, 133, 6, 55, 7, 23, 8, 7, 9, 2, 10, 2. This is the data they provide. But the given solution, the given equation is nothing but y is equal to into e power base, the general equation they already mentioned. But this equation is not in the linear form, therefore now I have to take log both sides, I have to convert in the form of polynomial. Log y equals, you already know that log a plus bx into log e. What is log e? Basic value is 1. Now I have to take this is y equals a plus bx, is already explained. Where what is y is log y. What is capital A is nothing but log a, small a. Okay. Now I am going to write normal equation. You just know, you know how to write the two normal equations. What are the two normal equations I am expecting here? Sigma yi equals, this repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 or 6. Therefore 1, 2, 6. And then a 6a plus b into sigma xi I ranging from 1 to 6. And then another normal equation is small xi into capital, because I have to multiply it by x, 1 to 6. And then a into sigma xi for I ranging from 1 to 6 plus b into sigma xi square for I ranging from 1 to 6. Now these are the normal equations. What are the things we are expecting? We are going to find out in the table. In the table, x and y is the given already the values. Amount capital Y. What is capital Y? Log of small y. And then xi capital yi and xi square root. Okay. You take the values of whatever that y is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then write the corresponding y value 133, 55, 23, 20, so 7, 2, 2. Yeah. I am going to explain for only one value because of I can't proceed much videos based on curve fitting. Now we have to take log of first value. What is log of 133? Keep in mind the base is 133. The corresponding value is 4.8903. Similar log of 55. Base is key. The value is 4.0073. Now I think everyone is clear. Once you know one or two values, then easy to use calculator. Log of 23 is 3.1355. Log of 7 is nothing but 1.9459. log 2 is nothing but point basic 6931.6931. Okay, the rest of thing is, you know that you multiply this with this and this, you substitute here, take square of that, you substitute here, find out the total, substitute in this equation. We get finally the equation is actually, after you substitute the values, we get the equation 15.3652 equals 6 capital A plus 45D. Sigma capital Yi and X small xi is nothing but 99.1799 equals 45A capital A plus 355. You solve this equation, we get capital A. Capital A is, now once you find out capital A and find out small b. From capital A, find out small b. What is small b? Is e power of capital A. What is small a is nothing but e power of capital A. The finally we get y equals a value. After we have taken exponential of capital A, we get a value 12,627.0927 into e power of minus 0.9177. This is b value into x. Yeah, I think the rest of the step you please do it using calculator, because I written the final equation, and then after the solving that we get capital A, small b. Capital A is nothing but what is small a is nothing but exponential of capital A. Then this is our small a value. This is nothing but small b value. Then this again I have to solve, but keep in mind y is equal to a into b power of x. You must be take log. Once you take log, I don't want y value, I require log, capital log of small y value. You must be take care. The rest of thing is just like a linear. Thank you very much. You solve some more problems, similar type problem. I'll come and meet in the next class, different type of problem. Thank you.